Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am swatching the new Nykaa Ultra Silk lipstick in 6 shades. These lipsticks comes in this pink cardboard packaging. The bullet has a glossy pink finish, which looks expensive and has a magnetic closure. The shade name is mentioned at the bottom. This collection comes in 12 different shades, of which 3 shades are limited edition. The first shade is Vibing. The second shade is Bangin'. The third shade is Poppin'. Now we are swatching the 3 limited edition shades. The first shade is Gleaming. The second shade is Splashin'. This is my fave shade in limited edition. The third and last shade is Sparklin'. These lipsticks are ultra soft and easily glide on lips and has intense color payoff. These lipsticks are a solid 8 out of 10 and must buy this festive season. Hope this video was useful for you, and until next time, love you all, bye bye.